Hello everyone, I am Prashant Wakhare. In the last video, discuss and introduce you the data types in Python. As you all remember, the two main classification discussed were built-in data types and user-defined data types. So in our today's video, we will take a closer look at the built-in data types. So the examples of the built-in data types in Python are, so see this slide, built-in data types also called as the fundamental types are specified by the Python language standard are built into the compiler. Built-in types are not defined in any header file. So there are so many built-in data types like numeric, sequence, mapping, set type, boolean type and binary type. So today's video we will discuss one by one. So first one is the numeric types. So all of you know the numeric types, that is the integer, float and complex. So numeric types, as the name suggests, these data types are used to store numeric value to the variable. Based on the use and format of number, we use the proper keyword to assign the data type. So first one is the integer data type. This keyword is used when the numeric value we want to store is an integer, that is a positive or negative or whole number, for example -10, yeah 10, 456, yeah -456, means it cannot be a fractional or the decimal number. The integer data types occupies the 12 bytes of memory in 32-bit microprocessor and 24 byte in 64-bit microprocessor. Second data type, the numeric data type is the float. So any real number with a decimal point or floating point representation in which a fractional component is denoted, then this keyword is used to store the value in variable. For example 1.23, yeah 2.345, etc. The size of the float is the 16 bytes in 32-bit. Next data type is the complex data types. This keyword is used to store the complex number values. As you must have studied in the previous classes that a complex number comprises of an imaginary number whose value is the -1 square root of -1. So this number is represented as a real and imaginary part. Thus you can Python enables the order to handle the data related to the suitable or the complex mathematical problems. Next, we more on the sequence data types. This is the sequence data types: list, tuple and range. These are the sequence data types. We will see one by one. So sequence is an order collection of similar or the different data types. We all of you know this thing. In sequence data types, the first one is the string. So I have not mentioned here the string, but string is also the sequence data types. A string value is a collection of one or more characters put in a single, double or triple quotes. Next one is the list. A list object is an order collection of one or more data items, not necessary of the same type, put in the square bracket. The next sequence data type is the tuple. A tuple object is an order collection of one or more data types, not necessary of the same type, put in parentheses. And last one is the range, but this range we are using, we will discussing in the next video. So this is also the very important concept in the Python programming. So third data types is the mapping type. So mapping types, I have written here the dictionary. We can say that the dictionary or the dic function. So this is the object is an unordered collection of data in a key value pair form. A collection of such pairs is enclosed in a curly bracket. For example, see this is the example. One, then colon Steve, second Bill, third one is the Ram. So in this example, this helps the coder to store the data values like a map, which unlike other hold data as a documents, the key value is provided in the dictionary to make it more optimized for operations. So the keys are the always unique, and this key help us in mapping to stored values. So next data type is the set types. So these are the set types. First one is the set and second one is the frozen set. So set is a mutable, unordered collection of a distinct hashable object. The meaning of a hashable is that the object has a hash value or address that remains same during its lifetime. So this set is a Python implementation of the sets in the mathematics. A set object has a suitable methods to perform mathematical operations like union, intersection, differentiations, etc. And the next one is the frozen set. So frozen set is the immutable version of set whose elements are added from others other iterables, that is for example that is an object in a Python programming capable of returning its members one at a time, and this frozen set we are using also the in a for loop means looping concept. So this can be used in tuples, list and arrays concept also. Next data types is the Boolean data types. So this Boolean type data with one of two built-in values, and these two values is the it is true or false is called the Boolean type. So bool is the keyword used for the assigning the data types. Please keep in mind that while assigning the true or false to the variable, so capital T and capital F are always capital this thing. So this is used for to represent the truth values of an expression. So for example, the expression 1 less than or equal to 2, or while suppose the 0 equal 1. So these are the operators we are using here, and for these operators we will check it is true or false. So that kind of a Boolean type is also the very important concept in the Python programming. Last one is the binary types. So in binary types there are the again bytes, byte array, memory view. So the byte and byte arrays are used to manipulate the binary data. So the bytes and the byte array are supported by buffer protocol named memory view. The memory view can access the memory of other binary object without copying the actual data. So in a simple words, this data types is used to access files where the format is not in readable characters. So here we have covered all the built-in data types. In the next video, we will go through user-defined data types in detail. Thank you.